Are you tired of digging through your fabric just to find one piece? Are you tired of buying supplies you already own somewhere? I know I have it, but where is it? Are you tired of starting projects but can't find anything you need? And are you tired of cleaning your sewing space and it still looks messy?
So, if you are tired of all of those things like I am, then yeah, you need to come and see what this is about. So I want to invite you to my Sewing Room Spring Clean Challenge. And yeah, this is going to be a fun one. Let me just put that out there. So I am Martika with Martika J Makes. I do all things sewing. So if you are stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. And if you are stopping back by, thank you for stopping back by. I appreciate you so much. So you guys, I don't know about you, but I love it when I can just come into my sewing space and just focus on sewing. Not have to move anything, not have to clean anything, not have to find anything. Yeah, those are the sewing moments I like. However, those are not the sewing moments I've been having. Okay, can I get an amen out there? You know, it has been really challenging when you have such a busy schedule. However, we can do something about that. So let's talk about this spring clean challenge in our sewing rooms. It's going to begin on April the 20th, okay, every Monday. But I am going to drop a video every Sunday letting you know what zone we are focusing on. Now, the last week of this is going to be May 18th. So this is going to go from the week of April the 20th all the way through the week of May 18th. And in this challenge, we are giving ourselves grace and time, okay? We are focusing on getting these zones done, okay? And we don't want to rush through it. We want to be able to take our time. So that's why I wanted to do it as a weekly challenge versus a daily challenge or a 3-day challenge or something like that. I want us to be able to take our time, really go through what we have and really focus on what we still need and what we don't anymore. So even through these, I am going to be giving you tips and ideas for each zone, dealing with organizing, maybe an idea for storing it in a different way, and all of those types of things, you know, to create space, all right? Create space and create the zone, not just the zone, but the room, the tranquility in the room that we actually need to be able to come in to our spaces and relax and just do what we love, which is sew. Now, if you are not signed up to my email list, you are also, you need to go do that, number one. If you are signed up to my email list, you will get a weekly email, okay? That will go along with the weekly video I'll be dropping here on YouTube. But you can go to martikajmakes.com and you can sign up, look on the sidebar, you can sign up for my email and I will send you a weekly email talking about the zones that we are focusing on for that week. So this is going to be a lot of fun. It is definitely going to be needed here, okay? I start with me. So if this is you as well, I want you to go down into the comments and say, I'm in, okay? Whatever else you want to say, like, girl, I needed this. Girl, thank you for this. Girl, I've been needing to do this. Whatever else you want to say, that's up to you. But I want to know if you're in or not. So let me know down there. I'm in. And if you have not given this video a thumbs up by now, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And If you are watching and you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Okay? What is going on? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I don't know what you're waiting on, okay? So let's go ahead and jump in there and get into this Sewing Room Spring Clean Challenge together for the next 5 weeks. You have a whole week to kind of get other things out of the way so that you can really focus on this. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.